How to change your Reddit password on phone. Hello guys, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Reddit password on your phone. So the first thing we do is we go to Reddit, and now you will find this page. Now click on the top corner, click on your avatar, then go to settings in down, and now click on account settings, the top one, and after that we click change password. Now you need to write your current password, and after that write your new password and confirm it. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more short videos like this one.